Do you want to know how to prepare this traditional delicacy that is enjoyed in every Spanish household during this time, during this Easter period? Join me as I teach you, as I show you how to prepare torrijas. Welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Great Glamour. Today I'm going to show you how to make torrijas de leche, torrijas with milk. The ingredients that we'll need, I'll leave them in the description box, so check the description box for the ingredients. Let me show you how to do this. It comes out very yummy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Okay, the first thing you have to do is add 250 milliliters of milk, liquid milk. Add 1 stick of cinnamon, add lemon zest and orange zest, and 2 cloves. Then add vanilla flavor and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together, put on fire and bring it to boil. Make sure you are turning the milk, and when it boils, then you use a sieve to drain it, to sieve it in order to remove the zest, and then you have the milk ready for the bread, to soak the bread. We'll get to that. For the bread, you can use baguettes cut into slices, into thick slices. But here I'm using a pre-cut baguette that I got from the supermarket. So what you have to do now is soak the baguettes, the slices, in milk. You pour the milk on top of the baguette and then leave for 1 minute or less, depending on the size of the slices. And then you turn around, make sure that the bread, the slices are well soaked in the milk. Make sure you soak the bread very well in the milk. That way you can be sure that the inside of the bread will be very yummy after frying. The inside will be yummy, the outside will be crispy. Next, you beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt, and then you soak the bread inside the egg and then deep fry in very hot oil. What you need to achieve is make sure that the outside is crispy, and that will seal the inside, the liquid, the milk inside the bread. So when the outside is crispy, the inside will be very soft and very yummy. You deep fry. If you don't want to deep fry, if you're not a fan of frying, when you have soaked it inside the egg, you can proceed and put it into the oven to bake it. It still comes out very yummy. Now, the last step is you mix a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to sugar and bath the fried bread and the mixture, and that is the traditional way to do it and the traditional way to enjoy these torrijas. And it comes out very sweet, very yummy, very tasteful. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in my next video. Remember to stay hydrated. I love you. Bye.